Most SUVs look good on day one. Few still feel smart to own 5 years later. This list reveals 10 affordable SUVs that stay reliable, avoid costly surprises, and hold real value over time. Stay to the end, because 2 bonus SUVs will be exposed that look premium but are known to cause serious long-term trouble. Number 10. Honda HR-V. The Honda HR-V earns the 10th spot because it manages to combine affordability, practicality, and proven reliability in a way few compact SUVs do. From the outside, it may seem small and simple, but underneath, it uses Honda's well-tested engines and transmissions, the same systems that have powered their other long-lasting models for years. This means that owners can expect smooth performance without sudden breakdowns or recurring mechanical issues that often plague lesser SUVs. One of the HR-V's biggest strengths is its versatility. Despite being a compact vehicle, it offers surprisingly usable cargo space, and the rear seats slide and fold in a way that makes loading groceries, sports gear, or weekend luggage simple and hassle-free. Inside, the controls are intuitive and functional, so drivers can operate everything from infotainment to climate settings without fumbling or confusion, keeping the focus on the road instead of figuring out overly complicated systems. The ride itself is forgiving, balancing firmness and comfort so that even rough city streets or longer highway drives feel controlled and smooth, which is important for a vehicle designed for everyday use rather than flashy performance. Another factor that makes it rank on this list is its fuel efficiency. The HR-V consumes less fuel than many other compact SUVs in real-world conditions, which helps owners spend less at the pump over time while still having enough power for daily driving needs. What truly sets it apart, however, is its consistency over the years. Unlike other models that may feel fine in the first year but show problems later, the HR-V's design and engineering choices have a history of holding up well beyond the first few years of ownership. For anyone looking for an affordable SUV that prioritizes practical reliability over hype, the Honda HR-V is a solid entry-level option, quietly delivering long-term value without drawing attention to itself. Number 9. Toyota Corolla Cross. The Toyota Corolla Cross earns the 9th spot because it's a rare balance between affordability, practicality, and long-term dependability. Unlike SUVs that prioritize flashy design or high-tech gimmicks, the Corolla Cross focuses on the essentials that matter most to everyday drivers. Its engine and transmission are built on Toyota's proven systems, the same ones that have powered reliable models for years, which translates to fewer mechanical surprises and a smoother ownership experience over time. One of its standout features is versatility. The cabin is intelligently designed, providing a comfortable seating arrangement for passengers while offering flexible cargo space that adapts to groceries and luggage with minimal effort. Toyota's attention to detail in the interior ensures that controls are intuitive and responsive, so drivers can focus on the road rather than struggle with complex buttons or menus. The ride quality is calm and composed, absorbing bumps and rough roads while keeping the vehicle stable. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. The Corolla Cross consistently delivers low consumption without sacrificing adequate power for highways or uphill drives. What really sets it apart in this ranking is reliability over time. While other SUVs may falter in later years, the Corolla Cross has a history of maintaining its performance and comfort consistently, giving owners confidence that it will continue to serve them well for many years. It doesn't boast extravagant luxury, but it doesn't need to. Every design choice is intentional, aimed at keeping the SUV practical, durable, and cost-effective. For drivers who want a compact SUV that combines everyday usability, sensible efficiency, and long-term peace of mind without paying a premium, the Toyota Corolla Cross is a strong and trustworthy choice that proves reliability doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Number 8. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson earns the 8th spot because it delivers everyday reliability while still feeling modern and comfortable. This SUV has been refined over multiple generations, and that steady improvement shows in how smoothly it handles daily driving without demanding constant attention. The mechanical layout is straightforward and carefully engineered, which helps reduce the kind of hidden complications that often cause long-term ownership frustration. On the road, the Tucson stays stable through city traffic, rough pavement, and highway speeds, keeping stress off key components that usually wear early in less balanced SUVs. The suspension absorbs uneven surfaces without harshness, while steering remains controlled and natural, giving drivers confidence during long commutes or weekend trips. Inside, the cabin design focuses on clarity. Buttons, screens, and controls respond quickly, and the layout feels natural to learn, so there is no struggle to operate basic functions. Materials inside the vehicle hold their shape and finish well over time, preventing the interior from feeling worn too soon. Space for passengers and cargo is thoughtfully arranged, making daily tasks like shopping, school runs, or travel easier without forcing compromises. Fuel usage stays reasonable for an SUV of this size, allowing owners to drive regularly without heavy running costs. What keeps the Tucson in this ranking is its ability to stay consistent through years of use, offering comfort, modern design, and solid dependability in one balanced package. For buyers seeking an affordable SUV that remains steady, practical, and trouble-free long after purchase, the Hyundai Tucson earns its place at number 8. Number 7. Kia Sportage. The Kia Sportage appears in this list because it delivers a strong mix of affordability, usable space, and long-term mechanical stability without depending on fragile complexity. Over recent generations, this model shifted away from low-cost shortcuts and adopted stronger underlying engineering, which has improved how it holds together through years of daily driving. The engine configuration relies on proven internal designs that have been refined across multiple Hyundai, Kia platforms, reducing the likelihood of recurring internal mechanical faults. Road behavior remains composed in slow city movement, broken pavement, and extended highway travel, which keeps suspension joints, bushings, and steering components from being overworked early in ownership. The braking system maintains consistent response under repeated use, and the overall chassis structure resists early looseness that can develop in lighter-built competitors. Inside the cabin, the layout focuses on daily usability. Physical controls remain simple to understand, screens respond without lag, and menu structures are straightforward, preventing distraction or confusion while driving. Interior trim materials are selected to handle heat, frequent touch, and time without rapid fading or cracking, helping the cabin stay intact long after the first year. Seating support remains comfortable for longer trips, and rear space is arranged to fit adult passengers without forcing awkward posture. Fuel consumption remains controlled for an SUV of this size, supporting regular commuting without excessive operating strain. Long-term ownership feedback commonly points to consistent function rather than repeated repair cycles, which is exactly what matters in a reliability-focused ranking. The result is an SUV that stays practical, structurally solid, and mechanically steady across years of use. Number 6. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester continues to stand out in the compact SUV segment by combining consistent reliability with practical everyday usability, making it a strong option for buyers who want an affordable SUV that lasts for years without constant repairs. Its naturally aspirated engine is built on a proven design, avoiding overly complicated turbo systems or fragile components, which helps minimize mechanical failures over time. Standard all-wheel drive provides steady traction in rain, snow, or uneven road conditions, while the suspension and steering systems are engineered to absorb bumps effectively and limit wear on critical parts, keeping the vehicle stable and predictable even after thousands of miles. Inside, the cabin is arranged for maximum functionality, with intuitive controls, responsive infotainment, and multiple storage areas for groceries, luggage, or outdoor gear. Seats are supportive for both short trips and longer drives, and interior surfaces are made to resist cracking, fading, and wear, maintaining a solid and clean feel over time. The cargo area is practical and adaptable, allowing items to fit without awkward adjustments or wasted space. Fuel efficiency is reasonable for a compact all-wheel drive SUV, reducing frequent refueling and keeping running costs manageable. Safety features come standard across trims, providing peace of mind without requiring buyers to pay for extra packages. Maintenance is simplified by the widespread availability of service parts, making repairs and routine servicing easier and more affordable than many competitors. Overall, the Forester focuses on dependable performance, practical interior layout, and steady operation, offering a balanced, low-stress ownership experience that prioritizes reliability and usability over flashy features or unnecessary complexity. Number 5. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is built around a straightforward mechanical layout that avoids overcomplicated systems, which keeps long-term ownership stable. The engine design focuses on steady output rather than extreme tuning, lowering internal strain during daily driving. Gear transitions stay controlled and consistent, helping reduce internal transmission where that often appears in more aggressively tuned setups. Road vibrations are absorbed efficiently by the suspension, limiting stress on chassis mounting points and interior fittings. The braking system maintains even response under repeated use, protecting rotors and pads from uneven wear. Cooling circulation remains balanced in both slow traffic and extended highway driving, supporting consistent operating temperatures. Interior materials are chosen for durability, with panels and touch surfaces that resist loosening and fading through frequent use. The infotainment layout avoids unnecessary layers, reducing software conflicts that cause problems in many modern vehicles. Fuel consumption remains reasonable for its size, supporting lower running costs without sacrificing daily usability. Routine servicing is uncomplicated due to accessible component placement and widely available parts. The CX-5 delivers a combination of everyday comfort, mechanical stability, and ownership simplicity that fits buyers looking for affordability with long-term dependability. Number 4. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is engineered with a balanced mechanical layout that prioritizes stability in long-term daily use. The engine operates within moderate stress levels, avoiding aggressive tuning that often leads to early internal fatigue. Power delivery remains consistent during city traffic, highway cruising, and stop-and-go conditions, reducing strain on connecting components. The transmission system maintains smooth operation across varying speeds, limiting abrupt shifts that contribute to premature wear in many modern SUVs. Suspension geometry is designed to handle uneven road surfaces while protecting joints, bushings, and mounting points from repeated shock impact over time. Steering components maintain steady response without requiring frequent adjustments, helping preserve alignment integrity. Cooling and airflow routing keep operating temperatures controlled during extended driving, reducing heat-related stress on core mechanical parts. Electrical systems are arranged with practical simplicity, lowering the chance of software conflicts or sensor failures that interrupt normal operation. The cabin structure uses tightly fitted panels and durable contact surfaces, reducing interior noise development and material degradation through daily use. Seating foam density holds shape longer than softer alternatives, maintaining comfort without early sagging. Fuel efficiency stays reasonable for a compact SUV, helping keep monthly usage costs controlled. Service access points are positioned for straightforward routine maintenance, allowing common procedures to be completed without complex disassembly. Replacement parts remain widely available, helping ownership remain manageable over time. The CR-V delivers a blend of usability, mechanical consistency, and everyday comfort that suits buyers focused on affordability with lasting reliability. Number 3. Lexus NX. The Lexus NX uses a refined mechanical layout designed to minimize long-term strain on core components. The engine runs with controlled output levels that maintain stability under daily commuting and extended highway driving. Internal tolerances are tight, reducing vibration transfer into surrounding systems and lowering the chance of secondary component fatigue. Power delivery flows through a transmission system calibrated for gradual load changes, avoiding sudden stress spikes that shorten drivetrain lifespan. Chassis construction focuses on rigidity, which limits flex during cornering and uneven road travel. This protects suspension linkages and keeps wheel alignment stable over long periods of use. Braking hardware distributes force evenly, slowing wear across pads and discs rather than concentrating stress in single areas. Airflow management around the engine bay keeps heat dispersal balanced, reducing thermal pressure on hoses, wiring, and electronic modules. Inside, cabin assembly emphasizes precision fitment. Panels sit tightly without loose mounting clips that create rattles over time. Seat structures use firm base support to maintain shape during frequent entry and exit cycles. The control interface relies on consistent physical and digital feedback, reducing confusion and lowering input errors that cause system conflicts in many modern vehicles. Sound insulation materials maintain integrity, preventing interior noise buildup as mileage increases. Number 2. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is built around a durable platform that favors consistent operation over excessive complexity. The engine design focuses on steady combustion cycles and controlled thermal management, reducing internal wear during long daily driving routines. Transmission mapping maintains even load distribution, preventing abrupt mechanical shocks that shorten service life in many competing SUVs. The drivetrain layout keeps torque delivery smooth across low and high speeds, lowering strain on axle joints and differential components. Suspension tuning absorbs surface imperfections without transferring harsh impacts into the cabin frame. This helps preserve chassis mounting points and reduces long-term looseness in structural joints. Steering hardware operates with predictable resistance, limiting excessive correction that accelerates alignment wear. Brake systems maintain balanced pressure application, which extends hardware lifespan under repeated stop-and-go driving. Electrical architecture is arranged with redundancy in key sensor circuits, reducing the chance of sudden system interruptions. Cooling pathways direct airflow efficiently through the engine bay, protecting vital parts from heat buildup during extended driving or warm climates. Cabin materials are selected for durability, resisting surface peeling and joint separation even after years of use. Storage areas and seat tracks are reinforced to handle repeated loading without deformation. Fuel usage remains controlled for its size category, supporting affordability in everyday driving. Routine maintenance procedures are straightforward due to logical component placement and widespread part availability. Number 1. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid uses a dual power setup that reduces fuel consumption while keeping daily driving simple. The electric motor handles low-speed movement, lowering workload on the engine during traffic and city use. Power delivery stays smooth without sudden surges that strain drivetrain parts. Battery cooling and engine cooling operate on separate channels, preventing heat buildup in critical areas. The larger body is supported by a suspension layout that spreads road impact evenly instead of concentrating force on single joints. Cabin panels are firmly mounted to limit vibration noise over time. Seating rails and door mechanisms are reinforced for repeated use. Maintenance access is direct, and parts are widely available. Now the 2 bonus SUVs. First, BMW X5. The BMW X5 sits in the premium SUV class, but long-term ownership often tells a different story than the showroom experience. Its performance-focused engineering comes with complex electronics and tightly packed components, which makes even small faults time-consuming to fix. Over time, owners frequently report sensor failures, infotainment glitches, and drivetrain-related issues that require specialized tools and expertise. The ride feels refined when new, but as mileage builds, suspension parts and control modules tend to demand attention more often than expected. This combination of complexity and repair difficulty makes the X5 a risky choice for buyers looking for stress-free long-term use, despite its luxury appeal. Second, Mercedes-Benz GLE. The Mercedes-Benz GLE offers a quiet cabin, strong road presence, and advanced technology, but that technology is also its weak point as years pass. Many long-term users report recurring electrical faults, software malfunctions, and air suspension concerns that appear without warning. When these systems act up, diagnosing the root cause is rarely simple, which leads to repeated workshop visits. Powertrain performance remains strong, but supporting components around it tend to show wear earlier than expected in this price class. The result is an SUV that feels premium upfront, but can become demanding to keep running smoothly over time.